Perfumia.
Amen Cologne by Thierry Mugler. The first perfume for men was introduced and launched by the design house of Thierry Mugler in 1996. A follow-up to Thierry Mugler's best-selling 1992 woman's scent, Angel. Amen is a fiery, woody fragrance for men possessing blends of fresh peppermint, bergamot, helianol, and soft lavender. The rich heart of Amen is lathered with notes of coffee bean, tar, and patchouli, and base notes leave trails of tonka bean, sweet vanilla, caramel, luscious chocolate, atlas cedar, and natural musk. Thierry Mugler's Amen was created by perfumer Jacques Huclier. Recommended for daytime wear, Amen is for a confident, unique, and audacious man, full of spirit and sure to capture the attention of those around him. Designed by Thierry Mugler himself, Amen was inspired by Mugler's favorite childhood comic book superhero, the Silver Surfer. Awaken the superhero in you with Amen for Men by Thierry Mugler from Perfumia.
Perfumia, where you find the largest selection of men's cologne, women's perfume, and kids' fragrances. Perfumia is a retail and wholesale perfume distributor. Visit us at www.perfumia.com. Our customer service team is waiting to help you. We will not be beaten on price.